Hey, what's up, warriors? Todd here, and what we're going to be reviewing today is actually a website builder platform called Builderall. If you just arrived on this video and you've never been on this channel before, if you go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, what you're going to be discovering is this channel is about making money online. So all things make money online, advertising, Facebook ads, anything you really want to learn under that umbrella, you're going to get that here on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe to become a warrior here on this channel. Also, in the description of this YouTube video, if you go ahead and click the link right below here, if you're looking to learn how to make money online, I've actually created a comprehensive guide on how to make money online. So it's actually step-by-step tutorials on exactly what you need to do step-by-step to make money online. So that link is in the description of this YouTube video. So moving on over to this platform, I've been on several different types of platforms to help build websites, and I have some experience in that field because I build a lot of funnels for different programs and also for clients. I'm gonna go ahead and review this drag and drop builder to let you guys know if it's a yay or nay, if it's something you should invest in to enhance your business. And also for those of you that aren't technically savvy, right, this is definitely something that in any case will help you to build your business. Okay, definitely don't want to be typing up code and trying to figure out HTML and all that different types of stuff. These types of platforms allow you to do that very easily. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this training. This tutorial is going to be pretty long. So in any case, if you're looking to check out what Builderall has to offer throughout the duration of this tutorial, go ahead and click the link right in the description of this YouTube video. That allows you to gain access to this builder platform so that you can follow along with the tutorials and the future tutorials that I'm going to be going over with this platform, if it's something that I deem is a great use for, especially for newbies or even advanced marketers. So we're going to go ahead and hop on over to the computer and go ahead and check out this tutorial. All right, let's get this tutorial slash review on its way. There's a number of different things about Builderall that I do like, and there are a couple of things I do not like. Overall, I'm going to let you know by the end of this tutorial if this is something that you should invest your money into, or should you just go move on to the next builder, right? And so I call this a builder, but obviously it is a tool. And what I've found by looking back here, it is a all-in-one tool. The tools that I've been using thus far up into understanding how Builderall works, they were all just one tool. Okay, they didn't have multiple tools within that suite. So Builderall actually has everything that you need to start an affiliate marketing business. So if you're a newbie and you're looking for something that's going to help you to get started, and it's very simple, cut dry, straight to the point, but also looks sleek, looks very good, especially if you're looking to pick up clients or have clients and you're building websites out for them, and you don't want to go set up hosting and get WordPress and all these different types of things. This builder is very easy to maneuver and navigate from page to page. Now, obviously, I've been marketing online for 9 years. I've been building funnels. I build funnels for clients in all different types of niches. And so it's very important for me to have the fastest load speeds, because if we're driving a lot of traffic to these pages, we definitely don't want it to be loading slow, because we know we're going to lose a lot of conversions in the process. So looking back here, first of all, I want to let you guys know which plan I purchased. I went and I purchased the highest plan. Now, compared to my other builder that I'm using, my other builder costs $300 a month. Now, with this, with Builderall, you're going to be paying $49 a month. Now, that's nothing compared to what, like I said again, what I'm paying per month with my other tool that I'm using, which is not even an all-in-one tool. Okay, this is $49.90 a month, and the reason why I bought this plan versus all the other plans is because I want to be able to refer people to this program. I want to be able to take advantage of their compensation plan and earn commissions, because at the end of the day, if this is something that I like and it's better than what I've been using before, I'm going to refer people on over to this builder, right? This tool. And so I chose the last plan to make sure I get everything that this tool encompasses so that I can take full advantage of this platform. So logging in, going off to the left hand side here, this is what your dashboard looks like. I don't have a avatar yet, but this is my my dashboard here. So you look off to the right hand side, but over here to the left, this is where I want you to pay attention to. Okay, over here we have the builder. Okay, so you have the drag and drop features here, and the great thing is this is mobile responsive. You do not want any tool that you're going to use to build websites that's not mobile responsive, because here in 2018 everybody is using their cell phones to navigate on the web. So you're going to be losing out on a lot of conversions if you don't have a tool like this that is mobile responsive. Okay, so that's one thing here. Another thing, you can build a blog out with this platform. You can build, like I said again, mobile responsive pages, mobile only pages, mobile only responsive pages. And if I go ahead and click on this dragger right here, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Okay, in the description actually of this YouTube video, I actually created a page, and you can have a look at that exact page that's right here in the description of this YouTube video. And it's also the same page that you can go ahead and get set up with Builderall to get started, so you can start creating your funnels here. But I'm going to go ahead actually and navigate to, so you guys can see exactly what types of pages they already put together for this platform. Okay, so you're not just going in here and not knowing exactly how to build out a page, but there's multiple different types of pages that this company actually provides you with here within these categories. So we have the sales funnels here. Okay, they got the Amazon application funnel. I love using application funnel for high ticket offers. Auto webinar, bridge funnel. So they got a lot of different JVZoo funnels. So they have a lot of different funnels that are already put together. All you got to do is put your own words on the page. And if you see off here to the right hand side, there are different types of funnels here. So if you're in real estate, here's a couple of real estate ads here. So even if I scroll down here, it says local business sales funnels, internet marketing. That's a whole category by itself. Blogs. I even know that this has e-commerce pages that I can use, right? Online store, all right? E-commerce pages, religion, education, entertainment, restaurant, and food. So there's something for everybody here on this platform. So if I'm going to go to one of these pages just to give you a brief look at exactly what it looks like when you go to this page and you're looking to see which template you want to use. This is exactly what it looks like. Okay, very professional, very, very professional. I would say this is very cutting edge, because the tool that I'm actually using right now, a lot of the pages don't look cutting edge. They're very old, right? It seems like they haven't updated in a long time. And this platform right here has exactly what I need. Okay, so if you're into fitness, and as you can see, this page here, this template here is geared towards people who are a fitness coach or a trainer or something like that. If you wanted to create something like this. So that's the cool thing about, again, this platform, is they got several different types of pages that they're creating, and they're always adding new pages into this platform on a consistent basis. So don't be alarmed if you're looking at this and you see all these pages here, but wonder if they're going to continue to update and add pages in here. Okay, but they obviously are. Okay, so if I go ahead and go into the next thing here, you can actually create apps in here. I am not an app creator. I don't know anything about creating apps. But this platform actually has that built in. Now, one thing, and the number one tool for your arsenal, actually number two tool for your arsenal, is you need an autoresponder. Okay, if you don't know what an autoresponder is, it just automatically responds via email to anyone or any lead that gets into your funnel. So imagine the power of having this system working for you 24/7, 365 if you decide to use this Mail Boss autoresponder. So that's obviously that's the name of this autoresponder. It's very important to have this. I remember having to go to several different types of websites just to put together my funnel. With Builderall, you have the website builder, you have the autoresponder, and many other different features in there, but these are the main two things that you need for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, and I obviously I'm reviewing this product because somebody brought it to my attention that it's an all-in-one suite. So I wanted to make sure that it's something that people can use to make the most amount of money with affiliate marketing and save as much money as possible while doing so. So this platform also has that feature. Another cool thing they have is they have animated videos. You can actually create your own animated video within this platform. So if you went to Fiverr, or if you're looking, if you've ever been on a sales page and you see those little cartoon characters trying to demonstrate products and stuff like that, that's exactly what this platform does, right? That's exactly what this animated feature does within this tool suite, is that you get to create your own animated videos using this tool right here. So I definitely will be using this personally for software tools, for clients, different things like that. I know that you can actually use this to make money on Fiverr as well, because you can make animated videos based on what your client would like right through Fiverr. So just this part alone can make you money just by utilizing this part here, creating videos for different people on demand. And you get to choose your price on obviously how much you want to charge for that. Now apps, okay, they have different apps here on this, inside of this in this feature here. You got the chat review, you got click map, you got auto post, you got Facebook chat bot, okay, very important. Share locker, okay. If you guys are familiar with CPA and doing CPA, this is a very important app to have if you're looking to content lock your content, obviously, right? Script generation, social proof. So they have a lot of different features back here. Automated webinars, okay, marketplace. But I want to steer your attention over here to the Builderall business. Okay, this is the second part of why I wanted to use the Builderall platform. The compensation plan is like no other website builder's commission plan. Okay, I'm a part of other companies, and I swear, like, their commissions are really weeny, right, compared to this company. So this company will pay you for referring customers to use Builderall. Think about it. If you go to the movies, you watch a movie, right? You love the movie. What are you going to do for free? You're going to tell your friends, you know, that the movie was good and they should go ahead and see it. But if they go and go see the movie, you're not going to get a commission from it. So if you love the Builderall platform, and you're going to obviously tell your friends about it, so why not get a commission for it, right? And so what this company will do is, like, if I get my first commission will be pretty much $14.97 for each person that actually purchases product through your affiliate link with Builderall. But let's say the thing about Builderall is that they have leverage, and leverage is very important. But let's say that I put in 100 people, which is very easy to do with tools, not companies or network marketing or anything like that, but with tools that they can use to build their business. Is very easy to sell consistently. So let's go ahead and say that we referred 100 people to use this tool. You're going to get paid $5,000, okay, and you're also going to get paid $14.97 per month residually just by referring those people. But let's say that out of those 10 people, let's be conservative and say that like 20 people decide to promote this product, okay, this tool, and let's say that it's very easy for them to make sales, right? So I'm just going to say they made one sale each. Even with just one sale each, that's an extra. That's $7,400 a month just using Builderall and referring people to this system. That's damn near a six-figure yearly income just by referring 100 people. Okay, that's the power behind using and leveraging systems like this and tools like this. All right, and so that is pretty much all I wanted to cover as far as reviewing the Builderall system. Very easy to use. Like I said again, if you want to see a live page that is already created, it's in the description of this YouTube video, and that same link is the same link that you're going to use to actually get all the bonuses that I'm going to be giving you just by using this tool. Okay, it so happened that I did go back here and I did look at all that Builderall has to offer, and I immediately knew that this is something that I wanted to invest my money into. And I already knew that this is something that I wanted to use, especially when I seen the link in the description of this YouTube video. Okay, when I seen that page of what this builder can do, I already knew that this is something that I can not only market, but this is something I can use on my clients and my own personal funnels and save at least $250 a month just by using this funnel right here, or this builder and this tool right here. And so like I said again, with that being said, you guys take care, and definitely if you're brand new to this channel, again, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to be coming out with more tutorials on this topic, and you don't want to miss any of the tutorials that I create, because I will be creating done for you funnels. I will be giving away different funnels that I create using this platform, and so the only way to get those and make sure you get them on time is to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So with that being said, folks, I definitely look forward to helping you grow your business, and definitely see you at the top.